We've produced this video to give people a much better understanding of what remanufacturing is. There are an awful lot of misconceptions in the marketplace as to whether new parts, second-hand parts, copy parts are put back into starters and alternators. We here in our factory process want to give you a much better understanding and confidence in the products we produce.
Each old unit returned is sorted by its original number. It is then recorded into stock before being stored in the core warehouse. All 60,000 cores are stored in designated bins. The process starts with the selection of a batch of cores ready to be stripped. A job card is raised and the cores are taken to the stripping department. Each and every component is removed and put aside for cleaning. At this stage, nothing is thrown away, as it's impossible to identify damage while still dirty. During this process, the rectifiers are desoldered and the solenoid caps are removed. All parts, ranging from brackets to nuts and bolts, are cleaned using various machines. Once washed, they are shot blasted. Steel shot is used to produce a clean and shiny finish, leaving the parts looking as good as new. Rotors and stators are cleaned to restore them to their original finish. Bodies and armatures are cleaned inside and out. The rotors and stators are then buffed. Magnetised bodies are cleaned with glass shot. Solenoid windings are tested and cleaned before assembly. The brackets are measured. All components are then thoroughly inspected for damage. The damaged items are then scrapped. Meanwhile, the stators are electrically tested. At Sovereign, we scrap over 20% of each batch due to poor quality or damaged parts. Bodies are dipped in a black lacquer. The stators are sprayed both for protection and cosmetic appeal. The stator wires are sleeved before the new rectifier is fitted. Each joint is carefully soldered. Every brush is replaced and welded into place. The slip rings are soldered. The job card is always referred to throughout the entire process. The drives are fully disassembled, cleaned and reassembled using new springs and rollers. Once recrimped, it is effectively a new drive. Solenoids are now taken apart and cleaned. New caps and contacts are fitted and re-crimped. They are now effectively a new solenoid. Each builder must inspect the parts again before assembly. Every unit is built with great care to ensure the components are fitted correctly. All components are sourced from OE and OES suppliers. Careful attention is paid whilst the units are being built. Full traceability of each unit is essential throughout the process. For this reason, small batches are built by one production builder. All units follow the OE specifications as detailed on the spec sheets. Every unit produced is load tested before leaving the factory. The latest DV test equipment is used to measure the performance. This automated process allows the unit to be tested to the maximum. On completion, the unit will either pass or fail. Once passed, a test certificate relevant to that individual unit is printed out and placed with it. We do not test at random or copy test certificates. Once units have been tested, they are stamped and made ready for packing. Each unit is shrink wrapped for protection and storage. Inside, customers will find the test certificate, fitting note and production identification label. The items are then packed into distinctive boxes ready to sell. Thousands of finished products are held at the head office for call-off. Our customer service team are on hand to check stock and take orders. The old core and finished product is recorded into stock. Goods are dispatched daily to customers worldwide.
I hope you can see from the video the dedication and hard work that goes into making every starter and alternator here at Sovereign. From the traceability to the new parts to the testing, we here take pride in everything we make and everything we sell. And we'd really like you to have confidence in buying more of our Sovereign products. Please visit our website for more information.